In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks on TradingView step by step, 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a trade from the chart and where to manage it, whether you're practicing with paper trading or using a supported broker. First, open TradingView and head to any chart. Use the search bar at the top to pull up the stock you want and pick a time frame that suits your style. Anything from 1 minute to daily works. This gives you the visual context you need before placing a trade. Next, look along the bottom of the chart and click Trading Panel. This opens the area where you'll connect to a broker and manage orders. If you don't see it, make sure your chart is maximized and the panel isn't collapsed. From the list of available options, connect to your broker. You'll see choices like Paper Trading, TradeStation, Alpaca, and others. Click the one you plan to use, then complete any sign-in and authorization prompts. Paper trading is great for practicing without risking real money, while a live broker will route your orders to the market. Once connected, TradingView confirms the link in the panel. Now you're ready to trade. In the trading panel, click Buy or Sell. This opens the order window. Here, choose your order type. Market orders aim to fill immediately at the current market price. Limit orders let you specify the exact price you're willing to pay or receive. They'll only fill if the market reaches that price. If you choose limit, enter the limit price you want. Enter the quantity, which is the number of shares you want to trade. Make sure the size matches your plan and account settings. If you're practicing, this is a good time to test position sizing that aligns with your risk tolerance. Optionally, set take profit and stop loss levels. Take profit automatically closes your position at a target price to lock in gains, while stop loss is designed to exit if the trade moves against you. Placing both helps you define your risk and reward upfront, and on many charts you can see these levels as lines, making it easy to visualize your plan. When everything looks good, click Buy or Sell to place the order. Market orders should appear quickly, while limit orders may sit pending until price reaches your level. Your active trade shows up in the Positions tab of the trading panel. From here, you can monitor profit and loss, adjust targets or stops, or close the position when you're done. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.